In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Outlook send/receive error. If Outlook stops sending or receiving email, don't stress. Most issues come from a few simple settings. Follow these steps in order to quickly find the problem. First, check your internet connection. Open a browser and load a couple of websites. If they fail to load, the issue isn't Outlook, so fix your connection first. If everything loads normally, return to Outlook. Next, make sure Outlook isn't in Work Offline mode. Go to the Send/Receive tab and look for Work Offline. If it's highlighted, click it to turn it off. You can also check the status bar. If it says, Working Offline, toggle the button, then test sending and receiving again. If emails are stuck, check your outbox. A large message or big attachments can block the queue. Open the outbox and delete or move stuck messages to drafts, then try sending a smaller version. Once the outbox is clear, test again. If the problem continues, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Some security tools block Outlook's connection. Pause protection briefly, test send/receive, then turn protection back on right away. If mail works only with protection off, you'll need to adjust your security app to allow Outlook. Next, verify your account settings. Go to File Account Settings, select your account, and click Change. Confirm your incoming and outgoing server names, username, authentication settings, ports, and encryption, SSL/TLS. These must match your email provider's current requirements. Then fine-tune Send/Receive options. Go to File Options Advanced Send/Receive. Make sure Outlook sends and receives automatically and that Send immediately when connected is enabled. A schedule of a few minutes helps keep your mailbox updated. Finally, check for updates. Go to File Office Account Update Options Update now. Install any updates and restart Outlook if needed.